Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a simple project where we open and play an MP3. So I've got the MP3 on my desktop called Sounds here. So I've created a function and I've imported OS here because we'll need the OS module. So I'm going to type path. In fact, I'll make this a little bit bigger. Zoom in a little bit. Path, assign that to input, and the user can type in their path there at the prompt. So that's going to be path. Whoops, made a mistake there. Path, there we go. Then we use os.chdr, change directory, and we're going to change directory into this path here. Okay, now we're going to create another variable called file name, and we're going to assign it to input to get the user input, and then we tell the user what input we want. So file name, this is going to be MP3. Okay. Now we come down onto the conditional, so if os.path.exists, that's going to be file name. So if the file name exists, we're going to print a message to the user, and the message printed is going to be playing file, and we import the time module here at the top, so we're going to give it a little pause before it executes the file. So that's going to be time.sleep. It's going to be 1 second there, and then we're going to use os.startFile, and then simply type in the variable here, which is file name, or else, if that's not the case, else print, and we're going to use fstring here to interpolate the file name into the string. That's going to be file name doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. So we'll just do that there. And all we'll do is we'll save it, and we shall call the program. 1 second. Let's go down here. Call the program. It's called play MP3. Okay, let's just save that. Let's run the program, and make it a little bit bigger. So I want to be in my desktop path because that's where the file is. Users, mark desktop. Okay, hit enter. It's called sounds.mp3. Hit enter. Okay, a little bit of a problem there. I can see exists. File name.exists. Okay, a little bit of a typo there. Let's run it again. Okay, so that's going to be C : users mark desktop, hit enter, and it's going to be sounds.mp3. Hit enter, playing file.
Deunyai'r Gymraeg.
And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.